Hey y'all, if you are new here and we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Tracy. I am the author and the creator of all of our content here on our YouTube channel. But if you're like some people and you like a quiet, readable tutorial version of the same content, faith, family, home, and farm, y'all be sure to check out two of our blogs, which I'm also the author and creator of, and I had those way before our YouTube channel. The first one is 4dfarms.blogspot.com. The second one is 4dfarms.wordpress.com. You have a choice of your platform that you like. One, people may like it more than the other. While you're there, surf around, check it out. There's clickable links up in the subheader pertaining to that one particular subject. Be sure to go over here to our side panel and sign up to get on our email list to be notified of when I make new posts. So y'all check us out on our two blogs too, and also here on our channel. I will catch y'all later.
Hey, Gmo. What's for supper? Tonight, we're just taking some leftover stuff that's in the refrigerator and we're just concocting a soup. I had some leftover vegetables in there like onions, peppers, some frozen corn. I had a chicken breast left over. So, cha-ching! Light bulb went on. Okay, we're also cooking in a hotel and we're using our Instant Pot. So I'm putting this meal together by sauteing some vegetables. There's my vegetables that I'm like, you know what, let's just saute these up first. Next, I am fixing to throw in my liquid, which is going to be 4 cups of chicken broth. And then I'm going to be adding this piece of chicken. And then we are going to go to the next step. So y'all come along with me and you can make this. Let's put together a soup meal, okay? Got my chicken breast plopped on top. In goes my chicken broth. I sauteed those vegetables. We're gonna hit cancel. We're gonna put the lid on good. We're going to make sure it's on sealing, not venting. Now we're just going to hit pressure cook, high pressure, 20 minutes. It will beep at me. It will start its thing. And it will pressure cook for 20 minutes. Then we'll go to the next steps. All right, y'all. It has gone through the pressure cooking process. It's gone into keep warm mode. I went ahead and did a quick release because I'm hungry up in here. We are going to take the lid off because now it's safe to do so. Very carefully. Set that aside. I'm going to take my chicken breast out and I'm going to, look at that, y'all. We're not done yet. I'm going to take my chicken breast out, if he'll come here, and I'm going to put it on this plate. Ooh, and I'm going to shred it with 2 forks, and we're going to put it right back in there. We got the chicken breast shredded, thrown back into the pot. Oh, but we're not done yet. We're going to add a can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. The chicken created some more broth. The juice from the diced tomatoes is going to be rich in making some more broth. Now we're going to kind of bump it up a notch. We're going to add some cream and we're going to turn this into a creamy soup. And then, y'all, we're going to give it a little stir. Look at that. Now we're turning it into a creamy soup. We're still not done, y'all. I had some leftover noodles. We're just going to bump it up a notch. Okay? I'm going to get these broke up, put down in here. Got the noodles broke up and in there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off of keep warm. And I'm going to turn it back on saute mode. And I'm going to let this hang out in here until those noodles get done. All right? The saute mode is kind of like a sauteing, simmering, slow cooking feature on your crock pot. I forgot to add some seasonings. Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano. We're going to give this a little stir. We just kicked it up another notch. Okay? And we're going to let this hang out until these noodles get done, y'all. Alright, y'all. There's your soup. Our noodles are all good and done. Y'all see that? This is going to be for mine and dear hubby's supper tomorrow night. And I will plate it up tomorrow night, let you see what it looks like, and I will insert a picture at the end. Do y'all see what we did there? Number one, we just took some ingredients, threw a soup together. If y'all hadn't seen my video yet, Basics to Soup Making, go back and watch it. I give you tips and tricks to just come up with your own soup ideas just like this. Number two, we cooked in a hotel. You can eat good while you're in a small space. You're traveling, you're in a hotel, wherever you're staying, a camper, a tent, for all I know. Okay, number three, we used our Instant Pot. If y'all's Instant Pots are still sitting in boxes that somebody got you for Christmas or a birthday or Mother's Day or Father's Day or whatever, y'all get them out. Don't be afraid to use them, because you can make yourself some healthy, nutritious meals even in an Instant Pot. If you want some good recipes, I've got a whole playlist dedicated to recipes where I'm cooking when we're traveling using nothing but an air fryer, Instant Pot, and a microwave if a hotel has one. Okay, y'all check out that playlist. It's 40 Farms traveling hotel cooking playlist. I just use those 3 appliances to make some good, healthy, nutritious meals with. You can too. All right, we will see y'all in the next video. Wait for the picture of this delicious soup at the end. We'll catch you in the next one.